Hello everyone, my name is Theodor Peneș and today I will talk to you about world hunger and how to use science to stop it. First, let me put some numbers around world hunger so that you can understand how important this is. Our population is now at 8 billion and it will be 10 billion in 20 years. That's a short amount of time. At that time, we will need 50% more food than we have now. Isn't that crazy? Almost 10% of the world population is in hunger and the most affected countries are Ethiopia, Kenya, and Somalia. Actually, hunger in Africa is at concerning levels in over 24 countries because of large population and subsistence farming. GMOs could resolve low agricultural productivity, and this is what we're going to talk about today. GMOs stand for genetically modified organisms, animal or plant which DNA has been modified. There is lots of history into which this comes from thousands of years ago. Breeding dogs for desired traits, wheat crossing for larger variety, and corn modification for larger ears and kernels. First GMOs have been approved in the 90s, and today 90% of corn, soybean, and sugar beets is GMO crops, mostly in the US. Methods used for GMO? Oh, easy. Just 4 of them. Selective crossing, 2 plants combined. Mutagenesis, seeds exposed to chemicals. RNA interference, removal of unwanted genes. Transgenetics, taking one gene from a species and implanting it into the other. This creates 2 types of crops. Herbicide tolerant and insect resistant to limit losses from weeds and insects. Where are GMOs used? You cannot imagine. Cotton, introduced in 2022, worm-resistant cotton doubled production and halved the insecticide used. Blood oranges, made from Sicily, now can be grown all over the world. Zinc-improved cereals do get nutrition all at once. Arctic apples that do not oxidate. Seedless watermelon, and golden rice. Rice improved with vitamin A. Lots of controversy around GMOs with pros and cons. Pros: higher nutritional value, larger crops, no allergens, less pesticides, which leads to less pollution. Cons: new traits might bring adverse health reactions, limited biodiversity, herbicide-resistant weeds. There comes the need for regulation, transparency, and clear labeling of GMOs. My experiment, very interesting. I planted tomato seeds like the simple ones, and planted hybrid and hybrid seeds and followed their growth for 1 month. Used 2 bots and watered daily and took a picture daily to record evolution. Steps. Day 4 was when the 2 plants bloomed, but the first to bloom was the hybrid one. Day 5, 2 centimeter growth in the hybrid one and 1 centimeter growth on a simple plant. Day 6, all hybrid plants bloomed. 1 centimeter growth plus first leaves appeared. Growth in the simple, smart but not so spectacular. Day 7, hybrid plants doubled in that number and had to be transplanted to ensure further growth, and simple plants grew further. My conclusions: hybrid plants grew sooner, faster, and doubled the terms in number of plants. I would expect that once they reach maturity and grow to tomatoes, they would also taste better. Our role here: learn about GMOs, ask questions, and support smart choices to help feed our planet. I conclude by saying that GMOs are like super seeds, which help us grow more food, making the world a better place. But stay alert, as there's still a lot of unknowns out there. Thank you. Have a good day.